Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. Let us now get started with part 3. Here comes the fifth stage, Intel Xion and Itanium. Xion is a brand of x86 microprocessors designed, manufactured, and marketed by Intel, targeted at the non-consumer workstation, server, and embedded system markets. It was introduced in June 1998. The first Xion-branded processor was the Pentium II Xion, codenamed Drake. In 1999, the Pentium II Xion was replaced by the Pentium III Xion. The first Pentium III Xion was codenamed Tanner. Later in 2003, Intel had launched the latest Xion processor that was codenamed Gallatin, which had a level 3 cache of 1 or 2 megabytes. And Intel Itanium processor on the other hand. Itanium is a family of 64-bit Intel microprocessors that implement the Intel Itanium architecture formerly called IA64. First Itanium version released in June 2001. And Itanium 2 processor was released in 2002 and was marketed for enterprise servers rather than for the whole gamut of high-end computing. This is the fifth stage we have done. Sixth stage, Intel Centrino series. Centrino is a brand name of Intel Corporation which represents its Wi-Fi and WiMAX wireless computer networking adapters. One possible wireless device is such called a laptop. First version, called Intel Centrino Mobile Technology, introduced in March 2003. Intel used Carmel as the codename. Later, various processors released such as Centrino Duo, Centrino 2, Centrino V Pro and many more. Nowadays, on the other hand, we can call Intel Atom processor. Intel Atom is the brand name for a line of IA32 and x86-64 instruction set ultra-low voltage microprocessors by Intel Corporation. The first version that was released in 2008. Later and above, they established more generations of Atom processors. Seventh stage, Viav and V Pro. Intel Viav was a platform initiative from Intel similar to Intel's Centrino and V Pro. It was first released in 2007. And Intel V Pro on the other hand, Intel V Pro technology is an umbrella marketing term used by Intel for a large collection of computer hardware technologies. It was also released in 2007, just like Intel Viav did. And finally, eighth stage called Intel Core series. Intel Core is a line of mid to high-end consumer, workstation, and enthusiast central processing units, CPU, marketed by Intel Corporation. This processor was first released in 2006. These processors has lot of variations, such as Core Duo, Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad, Extreme, and others. Then its generation varied one after the other. So this has been an entire history based on Intel Corporation. If you like to see relation, you can find like AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, and NVIDIA graphics. We're not going into details, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.